Hey everyone, Rico is here. Today I will show you how to create the new trending rotational zooms in After Effects. It's simple to do and will make your edits look clean. So let's get started. First, make your clips ready and create an adjustment layer by clicking on Ctrl Alt and Y and go onto the end of your first clip and delete the extra layer of the adjustment layer and add as blur more curves the adjustment layer and go to Z keyframe and click on this watch and go on the end of your adjustment layer and make it 0.5 and again return on the begin of your first clip and make the keyframes of rotate here. Click here and go the end of your clips again and make it 20. Click U on the keyboard to show the keyframes and ease them and go to Z keyframes and go to the graph editor and copy my graph. And go to the rotate frames and go to graph editor again and copy my graph. And then duplicate the adjustment layer by click on Ctrl and D and make it on the second clips like this. Click shift and make the adjustment layer like the second clip like this and click U again in the keyboard to show the keyframes and select all the keyframes and click Alt on the keyboard and make it like this and do all this with the other clips. As you can see, we make the new trending rotational zooms like this. You can see that's the end of this tutorial. I'm Rico, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next After Effects tutorial.